spent so much time setting this up that I didn't listen at all.
Bruh.
Babe, you look so lost right now. Of course, how does it feel like to bake?
Can I say that?
I've never been more stressed in my life.
What's up, guys? It's our first ever Valentine's Day here in the Philippines. Right now, we are in our Airbnb in Ortigas City. I am going to be taking my own baby shark to a DIY cake facility in MegaMall. So stay tuned. We're about to meet up with our friends. If you guys followed our vlogs from Coron, we're actually having a double date with our friends from Coron that we met, named Marshall and Boris.
Happy birthday to you.
I'm actually real excited because this is the first Valentine's Day that Casey and I are celebrating as a married couple. It's cute. Well, it's like Willy Wonka's chocolate factory.
They're ahead
There's
of
even a
us.
time limit there too.
We're running out of time.
Okay, so we're looking for crushed. Or, Case, what we're looking for again? Crushed.
Fresh choco cookies. Ate, ito po, yan. Yeah, it was finished.
Huh?
It was finished.
It was finished?
There's butter
We got
on
more.
my hands, so there's
Yeah, I
butter
know.
on the camera.
Where, any of the microwaves right there? That's a microwave? Is that a microwave? No. Is that not behind me a microwave? No, it's an oven. Alright.
Good?
I honestly thought that this would be a little bit more soothing, but because of this
Timer.
countdown, I feel so rushed right now.
One, two, three, four, five.
She's the one getting all the ingredients. I'm just here to watch this now. Look at that. Oh, there, nice. We're gonna pour the whipping cream. My role today is to measure everything else. Casey gets everything else. Yeah, 225.5. Can you scoop some up?
No, it's okay.
No. We gotta be Marshall and
Where am I
Boris.
gonna
has
put
to
it?
be 100% right.
Cream.
Is that good?
I think so.
Maybe. Get it. Pick it, put it in the bowl. That's why be careful. Just don't get big scoops.
I'm already getting lectured.
Ours tastes better.
Already.
This took us 1 hour to make.
That took that bag took them 1 hour to make. Okay, so now we're just gonna put everything back to clean up our workspace, and then we're gonna keep going because we need to beat Marshall and Boris. Guys, I'm the professional microwaver in this relationship. Guys, I would just eat this by itself. If it wasn't bad for me, I would just eat it like this.
What did he say?
Honestly, cream cheese is my best friend. Just giving it a test run, guys, because we don't want to screw this up. We're super competitive. I liking it so far.
Good. Fun.
You having fun? I'm like a little bit stressed a bit. Because
I just hope it's edible.
we hope it's edible.
Oh, it's getting thicker. I don't know how to measure. Yeah.
Yeah, this should be good.
Wow.
Wow, guys, she could have put Baby Shark, but instead she put the AC.
Yep, that's me.
Is it Valentine's Day or is it Casey Day? It's the same thing.
I'm pouring the Oreo cream cheese batter into the mold
What was that? Mold?
because I can't multitask. Why is it lumpy?
So this is the part of the vlog where I put something in the freezer and it comes out. Oh, not there. What about here? Yeah, right here. All right. So once you put it in here, wait 10 minutes. It looks like this. No, we don't have the budget for it.
How many times did we argue?
Honestly, I don't know if this is a good Valentine's Day activity because we fought so many times already. It's okay. She's
Are you guys almost done?
gonna forgive me when she eats it.
Time to drink.
That's why they picked that cake because it involves alcohol. It was our strategy, guys, to pick a cheesecake because you don't need to bake. We were saying that that we've never gotten to this much fighting over making food. How about you guys? No comment. No comment.
Hey, here's our cake.
Ooh, it's layered?
Yeah.
Well, that's
1 hour to
cool.
make.
1 hour to make those two things. Where are we going? To Casey.
Time for some origami.
No, I think we're supposed to. Wait, check the thing first. To keep flexing away. Oh, never mind. I think this is the hardest part. Minus finding all the ingredients to make the cheesecake. I think that's the hardest part. We just assembled it, and
So cute.
I don't know if any of you guys are from Canada, but it
like
looks
a
like
Timbits
a
box.
Timbits box. Shout outs to the Canadians right there. Marco looks so tired right now. Look at me.
I'm physically tired.
So, if you were to rate this experience 1 out of 10, what would it be?
-5.
-5 why?
I'm so stressed.
Through this experience, you guys as a couple have a fight yet?
We almost did.
Wow, they did better than us. We had at least like 3. Don't drop it, don't drop it, don't drop it, don't drop it,
Two
don't drop it.
hands.
Huh?
2 hands.
I'm recording right now. How am I supposed to use 2
It's
hands?
cold.
So guys, that was fight number 4 right there. Does this beautiful thing look like this? It doesn't look like it. It's better. That's what it is. Whatever, it's gonna taste the same anyways.
Oh, there. Oh, there. Oh, bro. Nice.
Take a picture with the other one.
I'm actually excited to eat it. Alright guys, so all we gotta do now is we just gotta bring it back. We just took some pictures with Marshall and Boris and our cakes. And we're just gonna put it into the cake box and then we're ready to go. And it's ready to go home.
You can eat that in like 5 bites.
Wow. Yeah.
Perfect.
Plastic.
No, it's not because it has the crust.
Yeah.
Good.
Not bad.
Not bad, right?
You should have tasted ours first. Set the bar.
Yeah, I don't think it would taste. I don't know. I don't think it would taste as good.
You're taking too long. When she said she's almost done but still requires an extra 30 minutes.